Revealed for the first time ever, Warren Buffett's investing secrets. How to trade like the richest investor in history and double or even triple your money in 3 months. Get rid of any distractions. It's time to listen up. The presentation you are about to watch is worth money, a lot of money. So please focus. What if I were to tell you you're about to be exposed to the secrets of the most successful investor in history, a man who has accumulated a $60 billion fortune, a businessman who is world known as the Oracle, someone so influential that people have paid thousands just to have a meal with him time and time again. Warren Buffett. Now, what if I were to tell you that you were going to learn how to emulate Warren Buffett's legendary trading style to generate daily profits consistently, just like Tom Edgar's, Lillian Fallon, Gabriela Gomez, Alex Polinsky, and so many others. Exciting, right? Here's some more news for you. I'm sure you can imagine that in return for this service, it would cost you something. I mean, there's no such thing as a free lunch, right? But what if I were to tell you that I believe in proof before commitment? Well, I do, so don't worry. Because on this free trial page, you can expect no payment request, no commitment or need for your credit card details, no false promises. We've cracked the code, and it's time others profit from Warren's methods too. I'll show you how. Using Warren Buffett's strategies, I was able to make winning trades like these. Like this, and even like this. And I'm going to reveal how you can get exclusive access for 30 days, completely free, as in nada, zip, zero cost on your behalf for 30 full days. After 30 days, if you decide to continue, we become partners, just like 100% of our free trial members have become right after their free month experience. Take Margaret Reiner, for example. In her first month, she made a total of $19,800. Margaret kept those revenues for herself and her family. In her second month, Margaret continued as our partner and made $24,200 total and shared only 5% with us, which made her a net total of $22,990. Only 5% our way. That's fair, right? Now, let me tell you who I am and why I'm speaking to you today. My name is Jeremy Finn. For the past 18 years, I have been a top software developer for Silicon Valley's major enterprises, many you know. I first heard of Warren Buffett back in 2008, pretty late in life, I know, and I probably would never have learned about Warren if it wasn't for the financial crisis of '08 and the massive coverage Warren got since he was one of the few investors who was not really hurting but actually profiting during the crisis. I got into investing on a whim. I had just quit my job and I had received a $150,000 severance pay. I didn't have much of a strategy going into it, and it wasn't long before I lost half of that, $75,000. It was a painful lesson, but I learned something. To trade successfully, I would need to study, learn by experience, and most importantly, copy from the best. So I did a Google search. The first name that came up was, you guessed it, Warren Buffett. I went to Amazon and ordered every book I could find about him. I took a pile of notes about 10 inches thick. The first thing I learned was that Warren Buffett took a passive approach to investing. In other words, rather than look at stock charts all day, Buffett preferred to lay back and let his money work for him. The second thing I learned was that Buffett was a math genius. Clearly, I wasn't going to beat Warren Buffett in the numbers department. But in programming, I did stand a chance. So I thought to myself, what if I had software that did the math automatically? All the calculations, crunch all the numbers, and create an algorithm which define Warren's tactics daily. A system which can artificially copy Warren Buffett's trading. If I could build a programming team led by me, maybe I could simply program Warren Buffett's trading strategies into the algorithm and let it trade. In other words, build an artificial brain that would copy Warren Buffett's daily actions. And that's it. That's exactly what I did. It wasn't easy, and it definitely took a while, I will give you that. But I did it. I would love to say that everything went smoothly, that all the prototypes worked perfectly. That was not the case. But after 6 years and 4 months studying, copying, and programming, my team and I finally perfected the artificial software which has the ability to copy Warren Buffett's trading mentality and produce daily earnings like these.
All I can say is, wow. I never really thought that making money online was for real. I've always been a bit of a skeptic. But when Tony and David said I could use the Copy Buffett software for free, I said, why not? I have been absolutely blown away by the results. I'm almost feeling like a mini Warren Buffett these days.
I've tried just about everything you can think of when it comes to trading. Stocks, bonds, forex, even commodities. For some reason, nothing really worked for me. So when I heard about the Copy Buffett software, well, let's say I was skeptical, to say the least. But because it was free, I figured, why not give it a shot? Let's just say I was pleasantly surprised. Within 2 weeks of using Copy Buffett, I doubled my money. I'm going to keep using this software for as long as I can.
So, here's why I'm talking to you today. You have stumbled upon our 2016 Copy Buffett software 30-day free software. We believe that interest in this is going to be massive. The fact that we've developed trading software that emulates Buffett is a great achievement for us, and we've found the way to help people profit off that. But realize we must prove ourselves to you. Now, I know you might be skeptical. That is why I'm giving you the option to get the Copy Buffett software today at no cost with no commitment whatsoever. With your free trial, you will get complete autopilot trading with an average of 500 trades per day, live chat where you can talk with us in real time and let us support you every step of the way, live chat with other members so you can grow with others and share your experiences. You'll even get your own personal assistant who will call you whenever you have a request. The value you are getting here is easily worth $2,000. But when you sign up today, you will be getting it free. Yes, 100% F-R-E-E free. So here's how to get in on Copy Buffett software now. First, enter your name and email address on the form opposite this page. We will not share your information with any other parties and will keep your identity completely confidential. Second, follow through with the members pages and get your Copy Buffett software today. It costs nothing to get started, and you could be making winning trades by the end of this day. So let me ask you a final question, one you really need to stop and consider. Are you 100% satisfied with the money you're making right now? Do you love your career and feel it gives you the freedom to do the things you want in life? Are you confident about your ability to save for the future? To retire comfortably with enough money to live on? Or do you feel it's time for an upgrade in life? Put simply, is it time to live like Warren Buffett? If you think it's time for your life to change, enter your name and email address on the form opposite and get started. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Let's make you some money.